Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, now we know that cream cheese and bagel are complements because we have to eat them together. Okay, so question A, if we observe that both the equilibrium price of cream cheese and the quantity of bagels have risen, what could be responsible for this pattern? Is it a fall in the price of flour or a fall in the price of milk? So, okay, so we just illustrate that. Okay, first, what would happen if the price of flour falls? So, this is, we first have to know that, okay, we make bagels from flour. So, this is a market supply and demand for bagels. So now, if the price of flour falls, we can make more bagels out of it because the cost of producing bagel is decreasing. So we now can supply more bagel. So the quantity of bagel indeed increase as the scenario illustrate. So we have to think that, okay, what happened to the price of cream cheese? So because now the price of bagels fall, so people will buy more bagels. So now I'm drawing the supply and demand curve for cream cheese. So when people buy more bagels, they eat more cream cheese as well because they are complements. So the demand for cream cheese rises. So we know that the price of cream cheese also rises. So this is the possible cause for the price of cream cheese to rise and the quantity of bagel to rise. Okay, so what if the second scenario happened, which is a fall in the price of milk? So if we redraw the picture, we have to bear in mind that the graph on the right hand side is the market for cream cheese. So if there's a fall in the price of milk, which means that we can supply more cream cheese, right? Because we make cream cheese out of milk. So the price of cream cheese decrease. So if the price for cream cheese decrease, we will eat more bagel. So the demand for bagel rises. So we know that the quantity of bagel rises, but the price of cream cheese decrease. So this is not the case we want. So question A, the answer is the fall of flour price. Okay, what about B? Suppose instead that the equilibrium price of cream cheese has risen, but the equilibrium quantity of bagel has fallen. What could be responsible for this pattern? A rise in the price of flour or a rise in the price of milk? Okay, so let's erase this graph and we can start from, okay, what happens if the price of milk increase? So if the price of milk increases, it is more costly to produce cream cheese, right? So the supply curve of cream cheese will shift to the left, which means that cream cheese is more expensive. Um, yeah, and it matches our scenario because now the price of cream cheese has risen. But what happened to the quantity of bagels? We want it to fall. So now we know that, okay, now people eat less cream cheese. Less cream cheese. So the demand for bagel also decrease. Again, because they are complements. So the quantity for bagel decrease. So this is the scenario we want. So the answer for question B is a rise in the price of milk that will cause this scenario.